Ah, man. Then you forget to pop the hood. All right, round two. There we go. Whew. That's about to go. Hey, what's going on today, YouTube? I hope you guys are having a good Saturday. Today is Saturday, like I just said. Today's video, if you guys stuck it out to the end of yesterday's video, I did announce we're doing a catch can install on the 6.7 Cummins today, okay? Real quick, a couple things. First one is the catch can is going to be replacing the CCV bypass filter. Not bypass filter, but just breather filter, okay? That little filter is getting a little clogged up now, so it's kind of holding that pressure. It's not pressure, but it's kind of holding it in instead of letting it vent. This catch can is going to eliminate that. This is a very, very good and easy $35, maybe $40 mod for the 6.7 Cummins. It's new to me. I actually got recommended this to me by a subscriber. Don't remember your name right now, I'm sorry, but if you're watching this, you're the one. You emailed me, told me about it, showed me your setup, and I fell in love with it. So I'm doing it to my truck right now, and I'm passing it on to all you guys. So if you're thinking about doing a CCV delete on the 6.7 Cummins, well, now you know about the catch can option, okay? And a lot of times people will also run a heater hose from there and just let it go out. If you don't want oil dripping on your driveway, if you don't want oil leaking, this is a very excellent option for you. It's a super easy install. I'm going to show you guys what we're working with, and then I'm going to do the install and you guys can see what I did, okay? All right, so coming up over here, first things first, we got our catch can. All this is a can. It's an aluminum can that holds the oil. That's it. All of the gases and stuff. It's going to come in this way, out this way. Nothing really is going to come out of here though, because the filter is going to hold it. It's just going to pretty much be air. You do have the option, if I wanted to, I could run a filter on top, a breather filter, but in my personal opinion, I don't know, we might run it. I feel like it defeats the purpose of having a catch can to put this on, so don't know yet. I think I'm gonna run it, okay? A couple things I had to get though. So as you can see, it has a bracket on the back. I had to get a couple things from the hardware store, super simple. Went to Lowe's, got this is the second day in a row I went to Lowe's for something. Went and got some L brackets to mount this to the sidewall, along with some little screws. These are what, half-inch screws, and I got some matching nuts for it. We got some heater hose. I went to the parts store, picked this up. It was like $4 for that. All together, we're looking at maybe $40 for this install. Very cheap, and you can get cheaper ones than this one. I got this one because it was a little more, and they had good reviews on it off of Amazon. You can get a cheaper one if you want to, but I just stuck with this one, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get this started, and I'm gonna get you guys set up. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and I laid everything out, okay? So this is the catch can. As you can see, one side is out and one side is in. I had to get some channel locks to break it loose because it was really tight, okay? Now it came, look at that, it came with, this is petroleum on it for a seal, and it came with a O-ring on it, okay? This stick right here is a dick stick, okay? So if you don't have to take the can off every time to be able to tell how much, you know, fumes is, or fluid is in it. You just take out the dipstick, see where it's at. Obviously if it's at the top, then you know you need to empty your can out. But this is something that this is not high maintenance. This is something you probably will be emptying, depending on your driving. I'd say maybe every 6 months, or maybe every 3 to 6 months, man. It just depends. It's a low maintenance type deal, and you get the insurance because all of the fumes and the gunk coming out of your engine is going to go into here instead of into your turbo, along with, you don't have to worry about the little filter clogging on it, okay? So this is definitely, I feel like, is a very good installation. Now they do supply you with some hose, but I don't know how I feel about this hose. I might run it, I might not, because what I ended up doing was getting this heater hose, but I come to find out that I got 3/4 diameter hose, and this is like, I'm assuming, a 1/2 inch. So it's a little big for it, but with the clamp on it, it'll tighten down to where it seals it. I got me some oil. So all I'm gonna do here is just put a little bit of oil on the threads, because you never want dry. Okay, that's enough. Never want to put dry aluminum threads into something dry, because that's how it strips out really easily. So we're going to do the end portion, because this is the stuff coming from the crankcase, from the valve cover side, going into the catch can. Okay, so I'm going to screw this in here just like this. Okay, this kind of reminds me when I was doing my air dog, because I had, you know, the same style fitting. Now when you tighten in this stuff, you ain't got to. It's aluminum. Aluminum is a very soft metal, so you don't need to go crazy when tightening this stuff, or you're gonna strip it out real easily, and you ain't gonna be able to tap it. So we're just gonna go until it's a nice little. Yeah, I guess that'll work. If it leaks, I'll keep an eye on it. If it's leaking or anything, I'll just give her a little bit more snug. But for now, it's better to play it safe, to where you don't tighten it enough, and you can tighten it some more if it leaks, versus if you tighten it too much and strip it or break it. You know what I'm saying? All right. So now what we're going to do is we are going to move over into the truck. We're going to move over into the truck area. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to get this stuff. I'm going to find a spot where I want to put this, which I have a pretty good idea. And then we're going to go from there, okay? So, huge chunk. Alright, you guys, so originally this is it. Catch can is installed. Now I know you guys are probably asking, what about this side? Honestly, if I wanted to, I could put the fit in here, run it down to the turbo. I'm not doing that because I feel like that's a chance for more stuff to go in there, or more fumes to go in there. So I will do a test trial on this, run this for about a week or two, do a review. I feel like you guys are gonna have tons of questions about this setup, but I think it came out perfect. Okay, it came out really good. Okay, so like I was saying, originally I was going to put it back up in here, but it wasn't a lot of room. And then I'm looking, and you can see the one over there, right there, it looked just like that here, and I was like, that ain't doing nothing. So I bent it, set it up, and yeah. Okay, so this is it. Now I know you guys are going to want to see a startup, so we will do a startup. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Alright, you guys, we're going to go ahead and crank up old girl. Shoot, let me make sure the engine's clear. I never want to start up a truck with something that can go in there, man, because I tell you, I'd start crying. Okay, we good. Alright, let's start her up. Yeah. Oh, look at those light bar switches. Alright. Okay, okay. I'll take that. I'll buy that. Hell yeah. We got the breather filter up top. Yeah. So clean. Alright, you guys, so you guys saw that install. That's going to do it for today's video. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you had a good time, give me that thumbs up because it helps out tremendously. Feel free to share the video. Make sure you're subscribed if you're watching it. Now, I can check on my stats, and I noticed that there's a higher percentage of viewers that aren't subscribed versus that are. So I highly recommend or encourage you guys to subscribe to the channel. That way, every time I upload, you get notified, okay? Also, I'm not sure if my videos is telling you guys I'm up, or if YouTube's saying I'm uploading videos, because the view count for the LED bar videos is kind of low to what it usually is. Not sure why. Make sure you hit that bell notification so that way you get notified every time I put a video out, because you don't want to miss out on this channel, okay? Last night, it was kind of spur of the moment, but we ended up doing a live video chat or live chat on YouTube last night. If you guys didn't know, it was a good time. I think I'm going to start doing them a little bit more often now. Actually, you know, maybe once a week, you know, Friday nights, or maybe once every 2 weeks, something like that. You guys comment. You guys tell me what you want, okay? Comment down below. Let me know what you feel about that live chat, okay? catch can review. Super simple install. It came out phenomenal. I think it's a sweet deal. For 35 bucks, this is a good mod if you don't want oil dripping down your driveway, if you don't want to have the stock CCV filter set up installed. A lot of people try to challenge it, saying that you need that there so that way it can suck out all of the fumes out of the oil because your oil is probably dirty. The way I look at it is, if the 5.9 24 valve doesn't have it, why does this one need it? You know. But that's just my opinion. I roll with it. I've watched reviews. I did research on this, and this turns out to be a really good. They run this on gas cars too. This turned out to be a really good installation for the truck. I think it's going to be nice compared to that nasty clogged filter that we had sitting there. I did know when I did it originally, I did know that the filter was going to eventually get clogged up and stuff. But this is way better because guess what? I can just check the level with the dipstick. Check the level. If it's full, twist the can off, pour it out, start over again. So this is definitely a good job install. All right, so absolutely. But like I said, you guys, that is going to do it for this video. One more thing, trying to think. Yeah, feel free to comment down below. Drop a comment down. Let me know what y'all think about the install. Oh, that's what it was. So merchandise. All right, comment below what you would be willing to purchase from the channel. I'm thinking about right now t-shirts and stickers. Okay, I need to find also if you guys know anybody that does logo designs and stuff like that. I want a logo done for the channel. Still don't have one. So if you know somebody with that connection, DM me on Instagram or shoot me an email. Let me know. I'm still trying to find a logo for this channel because I want it to be unique. I want it to be special, and I want it to be cool. Okay, so I definitely want to do that. But probably within the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be looking into getting t-shirts and start doing a trial period with t-shirts and stickers. Okay, so definitely if you're interested in shirts and merchandise, drop that comment down below so that way I know you're interested in it. Okay, because I don't want to waste money doing it if you guys aren't going to be interested. But from the looks of it, you guys look like you're really interested in that in the merchandise for the channel and stuff like that. So until next time, you guys take it easy, be safe, peace out, have a good weekend, go Canes, God bless.